So I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to use this formula here. A equals 300 times E raised to the minus 0.003 T power, where T is the years. Find the grams that are present at 0, time equals 0 initially, and then I guess in 200 years. So I started out here, I put in a 0 for T, so it's 300 times E to the minus 0.003 times 0. Well, this product would be 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. 1 times 300 is 300. So the answer first part is 300. I don't even need a calculator for that part. In the second part, you want to put 200 in instead of 0. And so you multiply here, and that'd be minus 0.6. Now at this part, you don't have to put into the calculator. On my calculator, I have an E to the X button. And so I just entered minus 0.6 and then hit this button, and I rounded it to 4 places, 0.5488. Then I multiplied it by 300. I get 164.6. I hope this helps.